Oh, with ingredients ready to cook. Oh, and dehydrated mangoes.
Garbage bags are extensively used of plastic, which is a huge so this is completely biodegradable material. Oh.
चलो చెప్పండి
30 rupees
అర్థం it costs around 50 rupees for the production, and we will also be training a lot of people for daily work. So this is paper, ma'am, recycled paper. She collects all the waste from these houses and she creates these creative artifacts, which is going. And this is for semi-urban and rural areas, women entrepreneurs who want to put their products online. So we have giving them an entire platform from logo design to building their website and putting them on the online. That online. Yes. The entire. We are 7 women who run it. Oh. We have employed 30 people who are working with us. Oh. And through lockdown, we invented
sugar. We use a whole one with a thumb type of. It is a sugar free and it is a
Dr. Tamilisai Soundarajan Garu, respected advisors to Governor, Joint Secretaries, Devi Garu, Director Srimati Pallavi Joshi Garu, Srimati Madhavi Garu, and trainer Sri Bharat Garu and Srimati Deepti Garu, and Sri Vishwanath Garu, Manager, Indian Bank. This Atmanirbhar Bharat Self-Employment Training Program. This self-employment training program for women of Rajbhavan Parivar is the brainchild. Her Excellency designed this program in the true spirit of Atmanirbhar Bharat initiative and made it clear on many occasions that empowerment of women is one of the passionate progresses without the empowerment of women. We all know that Honorable Governor head of this beautiful Rajbhavan Parivar. Honorable Governor always wishes and strives for the progress of Telangana state and wants it to be #1 state in the country. It is our immense privilege as the Rajbhavan Parivar that Honorable Governor also always keeps us in mind and comes up with one or the other program to empower us all. We are extremely thankful that as a family head, Her Excellency always thinks about the Rajbhavan Parivar well-being and takes care of us with compassion and affection. Earlier, Honorable Governor personally selected, purchased and distributed sarees to all women Parivar members and spouses of male staff members on the occasion of Bathkamma festival last year. Honorable Governor made a very emotional connect with all the family members of Rajbhavan Parivar. Keeping the protocols aside, Her Excellency celebrated Bathkamma festival for 9 days along with women of Rajbhavan Parivar and outside women from various walks of life. It turned out to be the most memorable Bathkamma celebration ever for all of us here. It was in the true spirit of Praja Bhavan. So as to ensure the health of pregnant and lactating mothers, Honorable Governor distributed nutritional supplement kits like protein powders, vitamin tablets, protein biscuits, iron supplements and zinc syrup to the Rajbhavan Parivar on earlier occasions. Honorable Governor makes it a point to involve all Parivar members in Ugadi, Vinayak Chavati, Deepavali and other festival celebrations. We're fortunate to have a truly common man-friendly governor in our state. Atmanirbhar Bharat Self-Employment Training Program. This particular program is envisaged by our Honorable Governor. As per her guidance, our officers conducted a thorough survey through video conference to know the choice of training from all the women members of Rajbhavan Parivar. All the 150 families were contacted. A total of 59 members showed interest in the training program. Among them, 31 have opted for Maggam works and hand embroidery training. Around 10 opted for tailoring, 9 opted for paperwork making of bags, decorative items, 7 opted for food items bakery. And some others were interested in fashion designing. As the initial step, we have taken up this Maggam works and hand embroidery training to 31 women by dividing them into 2 batches. There will be morning batch from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. and the second batch will be from 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. We are extremely thankful to the Association of Lady Entrepreneurs of India for all their support in translating the vision of Honorable Governor into reality to prepare the future entrepreneurs from Rajbhavan Parivar. I thank all the officers and staff members for the active participation in making this program a grand success. I hope that all the participants will show the best of their interest in learning the art and fulfill our Honorable Governor Madam's wish of empowering women and helping future entrepreneurs. This self-employment program is especially important in these testing times of COVID-19, where the financial situation of families have become precarious. I thank the esteemed media friends for all the help and cooperation. Thank you all.
Talk on their ideas and we take it further to see the feasibility of the businesses. Similarly, we have a Center for Entrepreneurship Development, CED, which imparts entrepreneurship development training programs to the women. And I would like to mention that during this pandemic, we have been doing this training programs through online courses where women are being provided with different trainings. We even give them a help desk facility where they can call and check on the ongoing programs and whatever kind of business help required by the women. We have an infrastructure development facility where members can establish their own businesses or start their industries depending on whatever kind of business they are interested in. We have a Elite Credit Guarantee Association, ACGA, which provides access to finance without a collateral security up to 50 lakhs for women to start their businesses. We have entered into MOUs with different banks and financial associations which help women to avail this facility. We have a marketing wing called Vipani, which is actively working in connecting the manufacturers directly to the consumers or a direct one-to-one B2B sale transactions.
Her Excellency, Honorable Governor Madam, to deliver the message.
నమస్కారం. మీరు కూడా డబ్బు సంపాదించుకోవచ్చు కాబట్టి అందరూ ఈ కార్యక్రమానికి వచ్చి ఎంబ్రాయిడరీ చక్కగా నేర్చుకోండి. నాట్ ఓన్లీ ఎంబ్రాయిడరీ, ఏమైనా సేతి నేర్చుకోండి. అయితే కోవిడ్ కారణంగా సేఫ్టీ పాటించండి, మాస్క్ వేసుకోండి, చేతులు కడుక్కోండి, దూరం పాటించండి, ఆర్థికంగా బలపడండి. రాజ్భవన్లో అందరూ క్షేమంగా ఉండాలి, అలాగే ఆర్థికంగా కూడా బలంగా ఉండాలి. కాబట్టి అందరూ ఎంతో కొంత పని చేసి సంపాదించాలి. అందుకని ప్రధానమంత్రి ఆత్మనిర్భర్ కార్యక్రమానికి శ్రీకారం చుట్టారు. మీరు అందరూ కూడా ఏమైనా చేతి పనులు, కుట్లు, అల్లికలు నేర్చుకొని మీరు కూడా డబ్బు సంపాదించుకోవచ్చు. దట్ ఈస్ ది ఎయిమ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ప్రోగ్రామ్. I don't know how my language was there, but I want the Raj Bhavan Parivar to be economically strong and women empowerment, because we move ourselves as a family here, and in this COVID situation, everyone should be empowered, economically empowered. And our Honorable Prime Minister has come out with good schemes: self-reliance, self-sufficiency, vocal for local, and Atmanirbhar. So I want the free time by the Raj Bhavan Parivar women, or even of the entrepreneurship, so that they can earn money when they use their free time. Not only that, when a woman is empowered with economy, when economical empowerment is there, even I should say, whatever the money which is earned by a woman, it is only spent to the family. Not, it is not that men are not spending, but the saving they can do much more other interest to spend the money. But women, when she has money, she will spend only to the family, she will spend to the husband, she will spend to the children, welfare of the children. So I thought, when our Honorable Prime Minister was delivering the lecture about the Atmanirbhar, and when he want India to be self-reliant, and I thought, whatever, because Prime Minister is he's a very big heart, so that all the people who are all suffering from the COVID situation, they have to come out of the situation with good economical background. There should not be an economical setback. So only he announced the economical package to all the people, even the MSME sector, even the street vendors are getting their assistance from the central government. So I thought, when our Honorable Prime Minister is introducing the Atmanirbhar for the whole country, why can't we, in a small way, we can set an example by introducing this Atmanirbhar scheme to our Raj Bhavan Parivar. So it may be a good initiation, it may be a good start, and it may be a role model to other organizations. The country will be looked after by our Honorable Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers. But when some organizations like us, small groups, when colonies, when they take such initiatives, it will be very helpful for the families to compensate the economical strain which they gain during this pandemic. And apart from that, whatever may be the efforts by the families and the women, I plead everyone, even you come for training, even when you go for marketing, whatever may be, please be very careful. We have to live with COVID. COVID have not gone away. COVID is still with us. COVID is sitting in amidst us, actually expecting whether I will touch you, so it can catch me. So you must be very careful. Always, whenever you touch an object, please use sanitizer or immediately wash your hands. Use mask always, whether we have immunization or not. Now, mask is the immunization. Mask is the preventive gadget which we can wear immediately. And please maintain the distance. Always wash your hands, have a sanitizer in your hand always. So be safe, and I wish you all the success. And I appreciate the women entrepreneurship for their exemplary work. And I appreciate the entrepreneurs who are all present here. DP, who is from TechOpt, Alizon Khan, and Kunjan Maheshwari from Crafts Creations, which is recycled papers. Really, I enjoyed it, because nowadays even 9 people are opted for that. We can present whenever we go to a program. When such are gifted, it's eco-friendly, as well as it is helping a person who is involved in this craft making. And my appreciation to Mrs. Bhavani, jute bags, and my appreciation to Annapurna, which is biodegradable PPE. It's the need of the hour, because PPEs are very heavy, and when we wear the PPE for quite a long time. But as a doctor, I want to ensure the safety and the permissibility of whether safety of the virus, whether it is totally safe, and that is also should be enforced, should be judged. That is my view, because any dress or any cover cannot be the PPE. The PPE has some safety measures. I want to know whether those protocols are followed. Yeah, another thing, and my appreciation to K. Volga, the solar dehydrated foods, and my appreciation to Mr. Anubhav, Zilli's vegetable powders, and Mrs. Jidendriya, the biodegradable products, and my appreciation to Mrs. Radhika, the energy foods. And apart from everything, my appreciation to our Secretary, Surendra Mohan Garu, for initiating this scheme. When I told this, with the help of our Bhavani Shankar and Raghu Prasad and all the other staff like our Major Tushant. So they all unitedly made it possible, and my appreciation to Madam Pallavi Joshi. She was for her presentation, and Madam's name? Madam Sridevi for her presence. And I thank my friends press for your presence. You take a good message so that this Atmanirbhar can be implemented in all the organizations so that it will be helpful. And I respect and my appreciation to all Rajbhavar Parivar women who have come forward to take this opportunity. And apart from that, my respects to our advisors, Sharmaji and Mohantiji, so that there are pillars like their senior officials who are very supportive to all our efforts. And really I appreciate each and everyone, my security personnel, Janagiraman and his team, and all the Rajbhavan staff, my photographer Lakshmi Narayana and Srinivasa and Satish, and all of them, because without the team I cannot organize such things. So I appreciate your presence, and I request the Rajbhavan Parivar people, you take the training, but don't hesitate to do the usual work. Don't absent yourself. As the head of the institution, I have to enforce that also. You have to be very cautious in your duty and very sincere in your duty, and the free time you have to use it. Don't tell that I am applying leave and I am coming for this embroidery work. Whatever may be the opportunity is given. So you be very cooperative in your work and very sincere in your work. And really I appreciate the organizers for making this possible, and really congratulate each and everyone. And as I said, everyone should be economically empowered. Thank you so much.
Honorable Governor Madam will interact with the trainees.
గమ్ది స్టాండ్ 2500 ఉంటుంది. మనం ఇంట్లో ప్లేస్ లేకపోతే ఇంకా చిన్న స్టాండ్ కూడా ఉంది. అది ఇంట్లో ఎక్కడ పెట్టుకునైనా మనం బ్లౌజ్ స్టిచ్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. చాలా బాగుంటుంది. శిక్షణ సాధన సమృద్ధి ఇది.
So you have portable also. It's not very big. You can
big. Only small.
That one also you can.
ఇంట్లో ఎక్కడైనా పెట్టుకొని కుట్టుకొని చేసుకోవచ్చు.
So that this house itself they can keep it.
ఇది ఒక 29 వర్క్స్ స్టిచెస్ ఉంటాయి. 2 monthsలో నేర్చుకోవచ్చు. ప్రతిదీ నోట్స్ ఉంటుంది. కానీ ఇక్కడ చేయడం కాదు, ఇంట్లో కూడా ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి. మెయిన్ అది చేస్తేనే మనం అది క్యాచ్ చేయగలుగుతాం.
ఇండియన్ బ్యాంక్ మైక్రోసాట్ బ్రాంచ్ అంటే దిట్ ఈస్ స్పెషలైజ్డ్ ఫర్ ఓన్లీ ఉమెన్ ఎంటర్ప్రైజెస్, అంటే SHG గ్రూప్స్ అంటాము, సెల్ఫ్ హెల్ప్ గ్రూప్స్. ఆ గ్రూప్స్కి ఇక్కడ మా దగ్గర మేము ఫైనాన్స్ చేస్తుంటాము. సుమారుగా మా దగ్గర అరౌండ్ 7,000 గ్రూప్స్ దాకా ఉన్నాయి. అందులో మోర్ దాన్ 6,500 దాకా సుమారుగా ఫైనాన్స్ చేశాము. వాళ్ళందరూ డిఫరెంట్ యాక్టివిటీస్లో వాళ్ళు చేస్తున్నారు. సో అట్లాగే వీళ్ళు కూడా ట్రైనింగ్ అయిన తర్వాత వీళ్ళ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ని బట్టి ఎంత అయితే అవసరం అవుతుందో వాళ్ళ ప్రాజెక్ట్ ఫైనాన్స్ లాగా అట్లా ఎంత అయితే అవసరం ఉందో దాని ప్రకారం ఫైనాన్స్ చేస్తాము. తర్వాత దానికి కూడా రీపేమెంట్ పీరియడ్ మీ ఇన్కమ్ జనరేషన్ బట్టి, అంటే సుమారుగా మీకు ఎంత అయితే ఆదాయం వస్తుందో దాని ప్రకారం రీపేమెంట్ సుమారుగా 3 to 5 years దాకా పెట్టుకోవచ్చు. ఆ ప్రకారం మీకు ఎంత అయితే అవసరం అవుతుందో డెఫినెట్గా దాన్ని ఫైనాన్స్ చేస్తాము. కాబట్టి మీరు ఈ ట్రైనింగ్ని సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా కంప్లీట్ చేయండి. చేసిన తర్వాత డెఫినెట్గా మీ అవసరాన్ని బట్టి దీన్ని బట్టి మీకు ఫైనాన్స్ చేయడానికి రెడీగా ఉన్నాము. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
ప్రోగ్రామ్ కండక్ట్ చేసినందుకు మేము చాలా సంతోషపడుతున్నాము. రాజ్భవన్కి మేడం అంటే ఒక అమ్మ దేవతలాగా భావిస్తాం మేమందరము. ఈ కష్టకాలంలో మాకు ఈ ఎంబ్రాయిడింగ్, ఈ మగ్గం వర్క్ అనేది చాలా హెల్ప్ఫుల్ అవుతుందని కోరుకుంటున్నాం మేము. మేడంకి, సార్కి అందరికీ థ్యాంక్స్.
Soundararajan Madam, for all the vision, guidance and motivation in organizing this program. We are thankful to Her Excellency for sparing her valuable time to bless us all. We express our sincere thanks to the Association of Lady Entrepreneurs of India, ALEAP, for offering training to the women of Rajbhavan Parivar. I thank the ALEAP Chairman, Srimati Ramadevi Garu, Secretary Srimati Sridevi Garu, Directors Srimati Pallavi Joshi Garu, Srimati Madhavi Garu, and trainers Deepthi Garu, Bharat Garu for their positive response in organizing this training program. I thank advisors to Governor Sri Sharma Garu, Sri Mahanti Garu, Secretary Sri K. Surendra Mohan Garu for all the guidance in making this program a grand success. I thank Sri Bhavan Shankar Garu, Joint Secretary, and other officers and staff members of Raj Bhavan for all their support in organizing this training program. I am thankful to the women of Raj Bhavan Parivar for their enthusiasm and willingness to become the future entrepreneurs and fulfill the wishes of our Honorable Governor Madam. We express our sincere thanks and gratitude to all the esteemed members of press and media for their kind coverage, help and support. Thank you all.